I tried to talk them out of it. I want to go on record as saying I tried to talk them out of this.
And I want to say that this is my son prostituting himself for the first time. I'm so proud of him.
For money.
He really wants money, so he's
All right.
agreed to, for $5, he shot in the ass with a blow dart. Ready, set, go! Alright, go back again.
All right, go.
Oh, yeah. Go. How many times do we have to run?
Jack, you blow. We said $1 per time. Idiots! You're idiots! You're all idiots!
You're supposed to shoot him in the ass. Why'd you get him in the stomach? No, don't shoot him in the ass now.
Okay, Taj.0, here we come. Eric, let's see.
Alright, you've earned your $5.
Yep, you're shot. You've been shot.
Thank God we didn't put curare on it. Alright, let's
All right,
go through
no
it.
more of that.